How to fix Apple ID cannot verify payment. First of all, try to clear the unpaid balances if you have so. You can find these unpaid balances by simply opening Setting application on your iPhone or iPad, then tap your name. Once you tap on your name, tap the Media and Purchases, then select the View Account option. You should be able to access the purchase history from there, and you can find any pending charges or items highlighted in red. Once you find it, add a valid card or add funds to your Apple account balance to automatically clear the debt. And then you simply have to now lastly verify and format billing details. Go to the settings once again, then tap on your name and then head to payment and shipping, tap your current payment card, select the billing address field and re-enter your details to match your bank statement perfectly. And also ensure your credit card was issued in the same country as your App Store region. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.